The 27th of February 2025 Construction Industry Special News. Comprehensive overview of the construction industry's growth and potential in Ambattur, Porur, Gamidi-Pondi, and Ponneri, focusing on the current landscape and projected developments. Ambattur, an established industrial and residential hub with refined growth. Ambattur, with its established industrial estates, is witnessing a transition towards modernization and diversification. The construction industry here is driven by industrial upgrades. Existing factories are undergoing renovations and expansions to incorporate advanced technologies and sustainable practices. This necessitates construction services for structural modifications and utility upgrades. Residential refinement. The growing population demands improved housing options. This includes the construction of modern apartment complexes, gated communities, and the development of supporting infrastructure like schools and community centers. Commercial evolution. The rise in service-based businesses and retail outlets is driving the construction of commercial spaces, including shopping malls, office buildings, and entertainment venues. Infrastructure enhancement. The need for better road networks, drainage systems, and public utilities is leading to infrastructure development projects. Porur, a rapidly urbanizing residential and healthcare powerhouse. Porur's rapid urbanization is fueling a surge in construction activities. Residential boom. The demand for housing, particularly apartments, is exceptionally high due to Porur's proximity to IT hubs and educational institutions. This trend will continue to drive residential construction. Healthcare expansion. Porur's reputation as a healthcare hub is leading to the construction of new hospitals, clinics, and medical research facilities. Commercial growth. The increasing population and economic activity are supporting the construction of retail spaces, restaurants, and other commercial establishments. Infrastructure strain and solutions. The rapid development of Porur creates a strain on current systems. This creates a large demand for the construction of better sewage, water, and road systems. Gamidi-Pondi, an emerging industrial and logistics gateway. Gamidi-Pondi's growth is primarily driven by its industrial and logistics potential. SEZ expansion. The Special Economic Zone, SEZ, is attracting new manufacturing units, leading to the construction of factory buildings and associated infrastructure. Logistics infrastructure. The development of warehouses, distribution centers, and transportation networks is crucial for Gamidi-Pondi's growth as a logistics hub. Infrastructure development. The need for reliable power supply, water resources, and transportation links is driving infrastructure construction projects. Ponneri, a future smart city and industrial corridor. Ponneri's growth prospects are tied to its strategic location and ambitious development plans. Industrial corridor development. The Chennai-Bangalore Industrial Corridor is attracting major investments in manufacturing and logistics, leading to the construction of industrial parks and related facilities. Ponneri Smart City. The development of the Ponneri Smart City project will generate a wide range of construction projects, including residential, commercial, and infrastructure development. Port-related infrastructure. Ponneri's proximity to major ports is driving the construction of logistics facilities and transportation networks to support port operations. Overall growth trends. Government initiatives, such as infrastructure development projects and policies promoting industrial growth, are key drivers. Increased investments in real estate, manufacturing, and logistics are fueling construction activity. The ongoing urbanization of the Chennai metropolitan area is creating a continuous demand for construction services. Disclaimer. This information is intended for knowledge purposes only and should not be considered professional advice. For specific inquiries or guidance, please consult relevant experts. Stay connected. To stay updated on the latest developments in the construction industry in these areas, Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram.